On an ordinary mechanical clock movement, at least most of them, the gears are usually sandwiched between two plates, front plate and a back plate. And each little pinion is cut pretty much the same length. They'd be a different diameter depending on what kind of load was going to be put on them. And this clock that I'm making, the works, like these pieces here, are going to be sandwiched between two plates. Now they won't be brass, they'll be wood. But it'll be much the same idea. So I think right now it'd probably be a good idea to cut my rod to the right length. And I think I should be cutting the other three pieces. Like I need a piece for right here, for this one. I need a piece for here, and I need a piece to go right here. And I think now is the time to do it, and turn the ends down so that they'll accommodate a bearing. Yeah. Now one is already cut. It's the one that is in the escapement wheel, or the balance wheel rather. And I'm going to cut three more exactly the same length. Now the overall length is important, but I think most important is the distance between the shoulders. That should remain the same. So I think what I'll do is I'll just take that measurement and turn all of these shafts down so that the shoulders are the same distance apart. Once again, that's the plan. Tomorrow we turn.